Hello, my dear children. Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn Chapter 10 Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Before going into the topic, let me explain what is an adjective. An adjectives are words that describe a noun. What is an adjective? It describes a noun. This noun words that describe a person, place, a thing or an event or an idea, everything. Whatever we call by noun, everything it will describe. The noun may be a person or place or a thing or an event or an idea. So adjectives are also used to compare a thing to another thing, person, place, animals and events. Not only it describes a noun, but also we will use the adjectives to compare to another thing, another person, another place or another animal. That is what we are going to learn in this video. Degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now let us read one by one. Now let us see the positive degree. It focused only one noun, no comparison. This positive degree will focus only one noun. One noun means there is no comparison. For example, the pencil is long. We are talking about the pencil. The pencil is a noun. So it is not compared with another pencil. We are talking about only one noun, the pencil. The pencil is long. The room is dirty. The publics are active. Tina is cheerful. Drawing is tall. I hope you all understand. Now let us see the second one, comparative degree of comparison. This comparative degree shows comparison between two things or two places or two animals or out of two anything. When two persons, animals, things and events are being compared in the comparative degree. We can use to write this comparative degree by using the 2-syllable word. We can add er to the noun or ier also we can add to the noun to make a comparative degree. Then 2 or more syllable word, less we will use, otherwise more we will use. Now let us see the examples. Today is colder than yesterday. So here we used er. As I told you before, we can use the 2-syllable word er or iest. So here we used er. So in the comparative degree, we can find the word of then. Today is colder than yesterday. We are comparing the situation, the climate of today and yesterday. Today is colder than yesterday. My grandfather older than me. We are comparing with the grandfather and me. So old we are using, the noun will change into older. Then we will use then also. You see, the ocean is deeper than the sea. Deep. The noun is deep. We use for comparative degree deeper. Maya is happier today than yesterday. Here happy is a noun. We used IER. 3-syllable word IER. Happier. Skateboard is expensive. It is no comparison. So we all can understand that is a positive degree. A motorcycle is more expensive than a skateboard. So here we compared with the skateboard and the motorcycle. So we can all understand this is a comparative degree. Here we used to more. Tina is cheerful. Here no comparison. So that is a positive degree. Krish is more cheerful than Tina. Here we are comparing with the 2 persons, Tina and Krish. So we used more. So more cheerful, expensive, more expensive. Now let us see the superlative degree of comparison. This superlative degree shows comparison with more than two persons. In the comparative degree, we will compare to only two persons. But in the superlative degree, more than two. Among all, we will focus only one person. Used when three or more persons, things, animals and place are being compared. Here we used in the comparative degree the two syllable word er we use. But here est, iest, everything will finish with est. And we will use, there we used less and more. Here we will use least and most. For example, the pencil is long. That is a positive degree. The marker is longer than the pencil. We are comparing with the two things, the marker and the pencil. So we used er, longer. But in the superlative degree, the ruler is the longest among the three. The ruler. Ruler means that is a thing. Okay, the ruler is longest among the three. Whenever we are writing the superlative degree, the before the noun we have to use the. We have to use the. Then afterwards the noun that we have to change into superlative degree. Long, longer, longest. You see, Mai is brightest girl in the class. No, here the we used brightest. So this is superlative degree. Donna wears the prettiest dress in the fall. The is there, so it is a superlative degree. Mike Bro is the fastest among the 5 horses. The we used the. Among all the horses, the Micro is the fastest horse. So we used there. We can find out the before the superlative degree. In the comparative degree, we use then. But in the positive degree, no comparison. Sketchboard is expensive. The motorcycle is more expensive than a skateboard. But car is the most expensive among the three. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Now you see that one syllable, how to change into positive degree to comparative degree and superlative degree. Small, smaller, smallest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Old, older, oldest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Big, bigger, biggest. Then another one, you see, we will use some things, we will use more. What are the adjectives are finishing with full, less, ing, ed, we use more. See, narrow, narrower, narrowest. Happy, happier, happiest. Useful, finishing with the full. So, more useful, most useful. Boring, finishing with the ing. More boring, most boring. Modern, finishing with the ERN. More modern, most modern. Then what are the adjectives we will finish with? More, most. That I given examples. You see, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. So some of the adjectives is irregular, means totally the adjective will change for comparative degree and superlative degree. Just we cannot add er or est. You see those words. Good, we can use well also. Better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Late, later, latest. Old, older, oldest. This we can do elder, eldest also. These are irregular adjectives. You read in your book also some adjectives are given. So those words you read and learn the changes from positive degree to comparative and superlative. So read the definition once again and do the exercises what is given in your grammar book. Thank you.